If you want to learn how to turn this into this, subscribe and stay tuned. So, the first thing you should see when you open cstimer.net is this. This is the default page for cstimer.net. It has a light green background and two pink bars. So the first thing you want to do is go in the description and click the link. And this link should take you here. And now you just want to download this Google extension. And now that you've downloaded it, you want to go back to the page and click the refresh button on the top left. And it should look a little bit different, not too much different, but a little bit. And it should also automatically turn on the WCA inspection. So now you click OK, and that's the first step. So now after you've downloaded it, you want to go to the top left-handed side and click the options button. And the first thing you'll see is the languages section. So I'm gonna stay with English because that's the only language I know. If you know any other languages like this, you could keep it there, but I'm just gonna keep it at English. So since this is a very basic tutorial, I'm not gonna be going over all of the advanced settings. So next you wanna click on the display tab on the left-handed side. And so at the top you can see the zoom, how much you want it zoomed. Then you can go to the CS Timer timer font. You could kind of see it change in the background like this. Then you can also set the UI design, which I would keep it at CS Timer Plus because it's basically the font of the whole CS Timer on your tab. I would not change that. And that's basically all the basic stuff on that tab. Then if you go to color, this is where it gets fun. So you can actually pick your style at the top, which some of them actually look really cool. But what I usually do is I make my own custom one. So you want to click on the font color and you can pick anything. I like to make the font color to a bright green and then background color to a black. Same with board color. And then this should be black too, button color. And then ink color goes to the bright green again. And the logo color should be at a bright green. This is what I like personally because I think it looks really cool. But you can do what you think looks really cool too. And for now I'm going to leave it at the black one because I really think it looks cool. Next, for the timer tab, there's a lot of options on here. So the basic ones are the WCA inspection. I keep it at always. You can also put it at except blind, but I still prefer always. Then you could change the voice. If you're wondering why there's SpeedCube Review, he's a YouTuber and I'm guessing he's the person who made this extension, so that's probably the reason that he's on here. Next, it's the volume of the voice. I would recommend keeping it to what it is right now. And then for the Scramble tab, you have how big you want your Scramble at the top to be. And that's basically it for all of the basic stuff. The next ones are really like statistics and tools you're probably not going to use that much. And same with this Bluetooth tab. If you want to connect your Bluetooth, you should go to the timer tab. And then you should click on the timer at the bottom right here. And then you can change it to the Bluetooth option. And you should see this pop up and you can just connect it. And it should be connected. And now for the last thing I'm going to show you is if you want a tools section on the bottom right, you click on the tools and it should take you to a Scramble screen. So it's just basically how the Scramble looks like. And you can click on the bottom right here and you can change it to anything you want. Which some of them I honestly do not understand myself. But if you understand them, you can go ahead and change it. And there's so many different options you can pick. And before I end the video off, I want to give CS Cubing a shout out. Make sure to go subscribe to him. The link of his channel will be in the description because we're doing a video together. And if the video is already released when I'm posting this video, I'll put the video link in the description. And see you on my next video.